Choosing between robo-investing and advisor-led investing can feel overwhelming, but it really comes down to what fits your needs best. Robo-investing is all about simplicity and automation. You answer a few questions and a portfolio is built for you in minutes. It's low cost, easy to set up, and keeps your investments on track with automatic rebalancing when needed. If your finances are straightforward and you want a hands-off approach, robo platforms can be a great fit. Advisor-led investing, on the other hand, is about personal guidance. If you have complex taxes, own a business, or are dealing with big life changes, a human advisor can help you plan, coordinate, and make decisions that go beyond just picking investments. They can also help you avoid costly mistakes during stressful times. Many people find that a hybrid approach works best, using automation for routine investing and turning to an advisor for big decisions. The key is to choose a setup you'll actually stick with. With Brain Trust, you can choose which works for you with one click.